Without a vision, we literally have no plan and we have no direction. And with no direction, we have no purpose. And one of my favorite quotes is something like, if we don't have a vision, our attention is going to go to our past, and it isn't usually a good one. And so, having a vision is so important for your recovery, because if you're playing the long game and you're doing the work, and hopefully most of you are by now, and you're learning these things. A lot of you are in our program, which is amazing, our mentorship program and lifestyle integration program for those who are progressing even further right now. But, one of the biggest things that we focus on inside the program, once you have your fundamentals, once you have the baseline right, is really identifying, getting clear on what's the vision. Like, what are we working towards? Because what happens is motivation falls away. Motivation drops. And when motivation drops, the consistency drops too. Your effort, the work that you do every day can become a little bit blurry. And so vision is the thing that actually is the anchor point to the things that you're doing. Now, I've said this before, but every single month inside our program, we have a planning session. And we tie that planning session into what are we focusing on for the month ahead for each single person inside our program. Now, what we do is we tie it back to a goal. Why? Why do you want to do this? Why are you eating healthy? Why are you focusing on your nutrition right now? Why is a nighttime, bedtime routine useful for you? What are you doing it for? And why are you doing this whole thing in the first place? Like, what's the big vision ahead? And now the coolest thing about vision is, especially when you're going through this, is vision doesn't have to be set in stone. In fact, we want it to be a bit more dreamy-like anyway, because we don't want to put any added pressure on. We want it to be fun and dreamy, so it feels good that you're feeling into the future without putting pressure on having to be there. Okay? And so we want to really understand what is our why. At CFS Health, we have our own vision and mission as well. And I think without it, it's just very easy to get lost.